Alright, content creators, let's talk about how to create eye-catching YouTube thumbnails. You know, that little image that makes or breaks your video's first impression. Here are my top tips to help you design thumbnails that grab attention and drive clicks. First, use high-resolution images. Make sure your thumbnail is clear and crisp, at least 1280 x 720 pixels. Avoid blurry or pixelated images, they just don't cut it. Next, bold and readable text. Include short, compelling text to hint at your video's content. Use big, bold fonts with good contrast against the background. Keep it to 4, 5 words max to ensure it's readable even at smaller sizes. Consistent branding is key. Incorporate your logo, signature style, or a specific color palette to build recognition. A consistent theme across your thumbnails helps with branding. Use bright colors and contrast. Vibrant colors and high contrast elements make your thumbnail pop in the feed. Avoid dull or overly cluttered visuals. Focus on faces and expressions if you can. Close-ups of faces with exaggerated expressions convey emotion and intrigue. Eyes are particularly effective at drawing attention. Avoid too much clutter. Simplify your thumbnail with only the essential elements. Too much information can be overwhelming. Use icons or graphics strategically. Simple graphics, arrows or symbols can guide the viewer's attention. Make sure these elements align with your video's theme. Match your thumbnail to your content. Ensure it accurately represents the video's topic to avoid misleading viewers. Misleading thumbnails can hurt at engagement and trust. Test thumbnail variations. Experiment with different styles and analyze performance metrics. A/B testing helps determine which designs resonate best with your audience. Leverage editing tools like Canva, Adobe Photoshop, or Figma. Explore pre-designed templates to save time. Pro tip, always check how your thumbnail looks at smaller sizes like on mobile. Readability and clarity are crucial, especially on smaller screens. Alright creators, get out there and make those thumbnails pop.